Hi, this is Ken with Real to House Buyers showing you how to use Craigslist, post, and ad. So the purpose of this training is to sell a house. So whenever we have a house on contract or a house that we have listed on the market, we also want to put it on Craigslist to maximize exposure. It's free anyway, so might as well do it. So first thing first, come to delaware.craigslist.org. Make sure it is under Delaware. Sometimes it goes to Philadelphia for whatever strange reason, and you just want to make sure it's Delaware. So come here under housing, go to real estate for sale, and then go to post, and then I'm already logged in because you see my login ID here, and then we want to go to housing offered. Let me take a step back real quick. Sometimes you see for sale by owner, but that's for anything other than real estate. So make sure you click on housing offered, continue, and then click on real estate by owner. And then here we're trying to post 19 Meadow Road. So what I usually do, I go to Zillow and search for a listing. To get all the information. So just copy the description, post it here. I might change some wordings here, but let me just edit it. House is not in a flood zone. And then title, I'll just say handyman special cheap cash. Specific location, Newcastle, Delaware, 19720. Actually, it's 19 Meadow Road. No one. Yep. And price $99.9. Square footage is 1,300 square feet. Housing type is house. Hookups, parking, attached garage, bedroom, 3, 1 bath. Available right now, usually. And then can contact me by phone, by text. I'm just going to put my phone number here. Contact me Ken. Location info, Meadow Road, Newcastle. I'm not sure what the cross street is. Click on continue. Continue again. Add image. I'm just gonna put the front photo. See, front photo. Click done. And then if everything looks good, this should be a question mark, so I'm going to edit the post. Put exclamation mark, and I'm going to put a call to action. Please call, text, or email for more showings. Serious buyers only. More details or showings. Serious buyers only. And then click continue. And then click publish. So that's how you do a posting, and you can view your posts here just to make sure everything looks the same. And then you can also click on your email to see all the posting that you have posted. Most recent should show up. So handyman special, cheap cash. That's how you do it. Any questions, just let me know.